Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Begin by opening settings. In them, scroll down, choose security section and tap on screen lock. Finally, tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password, and enter it. Then choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and click on confirm. Finally, select one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap on done. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!